Hey guys! Well, I've been showing you a couple other things out here besides just the stinging nettles. These are the wood nettles, and I'm going to walk back over to the little basket where I've been collecting in and show you the comparison between the wood nettles and the stinging nettles that I collected from my yard earlier today. So, can y'all see the difference between the two kinds of leaves? So this is the stinging nettle, and it's the leaves are much more toothed than the wood nettles. I mean, they still have toothed sides, and you can see the little stinging hairs on them as well. But the actual stinging nettles have, the hairs are much more pronounced on them. So I hope this is showing up. The other plants I showed you, you probably recognized the wild ginger, and I'll walk back over here, try not to make you super dizzy. This thing. This is wild garlic, or ramps, and it's a super treat here in the Appalachians, but it will really make you smell like garlic. And so most folks, when they were growing up, if they ate a lot of it at home, the teachers would make them sit out in the hall. So I've got some things to do out in the social world, so I've been holding back on making a big meal out of those. Anyway, I am so glad you could join me here this morning. We've got a big chance for a frost coming in early Thursday morning, and so that was one reason why I was gathering these up now, to make a little something. This is sort of a sheltered woodland area, so perhaps it won't get as badly frosted, and just thought I'd post this now so y'all can see what it looks like here in April. Things are just waking up. Anyway, thanks for joining me. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye for now.